Hey guys, this is Illinik here with another awesome Beyblade unboxing. And today I have an unboxing of the new Bay of the Tornado Battlers sets, or tops. And it is Tornado Pegasus. In the last video I did an unboxing of Tornado Leon. This video I will do an unboxing of course, Tornado Pegasus. So, let's get to the unboxing. Oh, also on the back, some ads and stuff for the new series, Tornado Battlers, and a top I haven't found yet, Tornado Destroyer. And so yeah, flat tip generates an aggressive spin. Angled spinning action for awesome attack moves. So, yeah. Pull out the launcher and stuff. Right spin. Sorry, it kind of looked like a Japanese one for a second there. Blue ripcord and instruction manual. Pull out the actual bay. Here it is. Tornado Pegasus. I do not really like the attack wheel. Right here. It's very round, so less smash attack. Here is the code for Tornado Pegasus. And now here it is. Is the tip rubber? No. No, it is not. Is it flat? No. No, it is not. Is it kind of rounded a little bit? Yes. Yes, it is. Here, I'll get better detail on that. Some better lighting on that. See, it's kind of rounded. But it's still okay. So, a battle of these two bays should be up very soon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these two bays right here. Battle should be up fairly soon. Either today, tomorrow, or the next day. Probably tomorrow. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Have fun and bay away.